Hello. So the question given here is we can see that blank is given. We have to fill that blank and statement is also given. So first we will read the statement and find out the correct word to fill the blank here. So here the first one is saying that the precipitation that often causes chemical weathering. So here the word used is the correct word is acid rain, right? Acid rain precipitation that often causes chemical weathering. Coming to the next, it's saying that the process of oxygen that is combining with a chemical to form a new substance. So this is called what? Oxidation, right? Oxidation. Moving to the next, it's saying that the process that results from oxidation and produces an orange color seen on iron rocks.